Today you're gonna go have a sleepover with that nice lady you met last night. Come here. Hi, Emily. She has another pup? She does? She has another dog. And she really liked you? And you're gonna go and you're gonna go visit? Oh, you're gonna visit her. And you're gonna stay the night, okay? But you're gonna come back to here, let me sit you down. You're gonna come back tomorrow, okay? So I need you to be a good girl, okay? And if you like it there, you tell me. Because she thinks she might want to adopt you. I know you don't understand what that means. But you weren't ever gonna live with me and Daddy forever. You were just here for a little bit. Thank you. So if you like it, you tell me, okay? I love you. I love you. I love you.